Hi guys, this is Premster14 and we are back at the Dubai Autodrome and we are here for another Supercars Majlis event. It's a track day event, so I'm quite excited, and this is apparently the last track day event of the season. So it's going to be mega, and yeah, expecting many supercars and hypercars. So let's go check out the cars we have here. So we are in the tunnel area and we are following the lights. See, the lights are turning on automatically. I'm the only one over here. So guys, we are at the other end and I can hear the cars coming in right there. Guys, we are here and all the cars are getting parked up over here. This is insane. Oh my god, I can see a McLaren SLR that just pulled up. We have the AMG GTR Pro right here, a 458 in the shade of black. That's insane. Oh my god, we have a Pagani right there. Oh my god. Guys, we have a Pagani. Well, this is not PC Roadster. Fully exposed carbon, guys. That's insane. We just got our band and just look at the view from the top. All the cars have lined up and they all are going to be heading on the track. This is just crazy. Briefing is done and all the cars are heading on the track. Let's just have a look at the cars we have here in the parking till then. Over here we have a Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider. Wow, look what has started up. It's the 992 GT3. Right there we have a Aventador SVJ Roadster, and I can see different exhaust. Yes, it's got the FI frequency intelligence exhaust, titanium exhausts. Over here we have Sterling's Audi R8 V10 Plus. Over there we have a 765 LT Spider, a regular Huracan Evo, a 911. Oh my god, that's such a bright color for a Urus. And that's Akshal's car, he just got this. We have a MP412C. We have a Huracan. Huracan right here looks amazing. I mean, just look at the carbon fiber body kit it has. And these beautiful Z Performance, Z Forged alloys. I've just seen these alloys on Z-Slice Huracan on YouTube, but seeing it in real, it looks too good, man. Yeah, next to it, that's the AMG GTR over there and a F8 over there. Let's see what cars we have here. That's the GT3 RS with a sick exhaust. This thing looks beautiful, guys. Just have a look at this. And guys, this is the ultimate beast, Middle East's one of the fastest cars, 2000 horsepower Lamborghini Huracan. And just look at the front part, it's completely carbon fiber. Just have a look at this. You must have seen this in my last video where I'd gone to the Dubai Autodrome for the drag race. I mean, just look at these tires, guys. They are slicks. You can see the twin turbo kit over here from Boost Logics. Oh, the SVJ is going with the FI exhaust. Just have a look at this. Wow. It's so loud. Oh, the Pagani is here. Guys, there's a Pagani right there. The Pagani Huayra BC Roadster. Wow. F12N Largo that I just started up, probably going on the track. So guys, fun fact, there are only 15 Ferrari F12 N Largos in the world and 2 are right here. Can you imagine? Wow, that thing is loud, man. We have a McLaren SLR Roadster over here. We have a GT3 RS. And guys, just have a look at this McLaren 720S. The teal color with the forged carbon in the front. Looks so sick. 720S right here. 812 super fast. And guys, this is the second F12 N Largo which has come tonight. So only 15 in the world and 2 right here. We have another GT3 RS over here. A GT3 over here. Wow, sick. Let's look at the exhaust over here. Over here we have a GT3 Roadster, a GT3 Touring manual, a Turbo S, another Turbo S. This is the 458 Spider in an orange color. Actually, it looks red on camera, but it's actually orange. The Urus Performante, not sure. It does look kind of different. The color and the number plate is just amazing. Oh yeah, yeah. Just look at the hood over here. Carbon fiber hood. Wow.
Oh, the whole hood is in carbon.
Yeah. Looks pretty sick, man. Wow. And the shade on this thing. So guys, we have the Ford GT right here. And the GT Black Series. Oh! Did you guys see that code? So many Porsches in the event. Wow. Look at the Turbo S and just look at the number plate, guys. Single digit 7. You have the SF90 over here. A 488 straight from London. So guys, we are going to be sitting in the Huracan STO right here. So I've got my helmet over here. I've got the GoPro. Just look at this thing, guys. What a spec. What a spec. So I've been lucky enough to drive a Huracan, sit inside the Huracan Performante, and now it's time to sit inside the STO. We have the AMG GT Black Series that's following it. think they both belong to the same owner. The number was... Oh, the new GT.